Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you the process of making your eyebrows look like you have had them arched or tweezed or threaded, whatever you get done. I'm going to show you how to remove, not actually remove, but hide those little imperfections of your eyebrows today. Okay, so here I'm just brushing it down so you guys can see exactly where the little spaces are on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are pretty, they're kind of thick. And here I'm just going to go in and fill them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color chocolate. And I'm just going to basically shape them exactly how I want it to go. So then here I am just going in with my spoolie and I'm going to kind of blend the pomade and the hairs together. And I'm just going back in with the Anastasia again, just to add a little bit more to my liking. And now I am going to take this flat brush, I'm not sure what it's called, and I'm going to take my concealers that I mixed together and I am just going to carefully line, kind of outline the shape of my brows exactly how I want it to go. So I'm basically cleaning up any of that Anastasia that is, not where it should be, and this is going to give it that sharp look. And I know that it looks a little bit light on camera, but in reality it's not that light. I had a light in the background that kind of made it look super bright, but I'm just going to do the same thing to the bottom and I'm going to shape it out. And then I also go on to those unwanted hairs and cover it up with the concealer. Also, disclaimer, my skin is super bad, so please don't judge me. I am definitely trying to work on getting it fixed. So I'm just going to keep rubbing that in until I get it to where I want it to be. And then I'm going to take this kind of like a small buffing brush and just kind of buff it into my skin, so I'm actually pressing it in versus wiping it. That way it blends more. And then I take it onto my eyebrows to give it that kind of faded look. You don't have to do that, it's definitely optional. So I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to blend the hairs once more, use the leftover Anastasia on it to get rid of any concealer mark. And this is the finished look. It looks like I had my eyebrows threaded and I actually didn't. On this day I actually put on a full face of makeup, so you guys get to see that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.